All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Kaitlin, and I apologize for my absence today as I am actually running a booth for our company at a gun show. So I will still be presenting my part and also a little bit more about our company and what we do. So our company's name is called Misfire. We're actually a gun apparel company. Shooting is our game, safety is the aim. A little bit about us. At Misfire, our target is to provide you with sleek and comfortable apparel for all ages that showcases your passion for shooting. We strive to promote gun safety while you do what you love most. Sponsored by Everytown Gun Safety, which is an organization that promotes gun safety in cities across the U.S. We believe there is a way to use guns safely. Our goal is to promote a world where we can all safely enjoy what we love to do. Whether you are a gamer, hunter, or a first-timer, we've got the apparel for you. Our products are available for purchase on our website, as well as by popular vendors such as Cabela's, Shields, Walmart, and your local shooting ranges and gun shops. Ready, aim, wear.